Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings like this. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Telegram and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to restart your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.